love you.
Hello guys, if you're new here, you're watching House of Love, where we discuss talents with nothing else but love. So feel free to join the family. Let's shine and grow together. Today on the menu, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an organic lightening glow oil. This oil is recommended to those suffering from uneven skin tone, rough skin, hyperpigmentation, dark patches. This homemade organic lightening glow oil will help brighten your skin. Your skin will be so clear and flawless after using this oil. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the ingredients. Okay, so for the ingredients, we have 1 small size of papaya, 3 carrots, 1 small size of pineapple, 1 orange, Alovera, and about 500 milliliters of coconut oil. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for this homemade lightening glow oil. So now I'm just going to peel all the ingredients and put into the blender and blend everything at once. So in the blender I have my peeled papaya, pineapple, orange, and aloe vera gel. I'll blend everything together and pour into the pot. So for the carrots and the orange skin, they are not blended, they are grated. So these are them. I also pour into the pot, and now I'll add in my coconut oil, 500 milliliters. So I put everything at once, and I'm going to allow it to cook until the water will get dry, and this will take about 30 to 40 minutes on a low medium heat. So that's it. It has been cooking for about 40 minutes, and I think the water is now dry. So I'm just going to take it off the fire and sieve. So that's it guys, your organic lightening glow oil is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. And also please, after trying this recipe, please do not forget to give your feedback on how it came out. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.